everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for this video. So this is my pre-spring living room tour. Yes, it's almost spring. When the time changes, that's when we know it's officially spring. So I have added like a aqua Tiffany blue mint greenish like color combination in this space. It's giving me that matchy vibe, but I am loving it. I'm loving this. It looks so refreshing. So I'm gonna start over on this side of the room, starting with these beautiful sheer drapes. These are from Amazon, and these are kind of like a aqua tealish looking color. It's giving me Tiffany blue vibes more so here, and these are from Amazon, and I have them paired with the white sheers, also from Amazon. So you can see the color better from this angle. I love that color. The wall art, that plaque that's in the middle of the windows, that's a Pier 1 item. I've had it for several years. I have the wingback chair, that's from Wayfair, a Z Gallery pillow in that chair. The accent table on the side of the chair is actually from Z Gallery. Then I have this mini ellipse vase here, and that's from Z Gallery, and I have some aqua rocks in that. And the accent table is from Z Gallery. It's actually nesting tables, but I only have one over on this side. But over on the other side, I actually have two. Those are from Z Gallery. My lamps are from Home Goods. The candle holders also from Home Goods. And my candles are from Luminaire Candle. It actually, these taper candles is a set of 2. And look how cute this is. This is so cute. It actually comes in different colors. I think they had purple, and not sure what other color they had, but I just know they had purple, and this is like a mint green color here, but it flows well with the Tiffany blue color that I'm using, and you can set them on a timer. I really like that. That'll probably be the only bunny that I have out for the summer. For the spring. My wall art here, also from Z Gallery. My sconces on the side from Z Gallery. And these candles are also from Luminaire. And these are some aqua candles as well. And you can set them on a timer. My Mongolian pillows are from Z Gallery. My couch is from Rooms to Go. I think I'm getting ready to start looking around for another couch, but for the time being, I'm gonna just keep this one. Probably maybe around the fall or so, or maybe summer, I'll get another couch. But yes, then I have the regular ellipse vase here from Z Gallery, and I have some more of these aqua rocks in here. I probably have too many in here, but yeah, those are cute. Then my coffee table is actually from Amazon. I wish that I would have gotten the one with the bottom glass, but you know, I'm liking that as well. My rug is an indoor-outdoor area rug. It is actually from Amazon. I love it. I love the modern vibes that it's given. And let's see here. My fireplace is from Wayfair. I love it because it's slim. And my mirror is from Rooms to Go. I am a Rooms to Go ambassador. I'm loving it. And my 3 vases over on the side. The taller vase is from Z Gallery. The smaller ones are from Burlington. I can't even get my train of thought. This case here, this box, is from Home Goods, and as you can see, it was $24.99. I wish I can find a bigger one like this. Then I have my Breakfast at Tiffany's book. I've had that for several years. is from actually Amazon. I'll leave the link down below to these items. You can actually click the Amazon storefront to shop anything that I purchased from Amazon. Then I have a like to know shop where you can shop other items. Now, Z Gallerie has removed themselves from the commission base. Like, we're no longer getting commission from the items that you purchase from the links from Z Gallerie, but I'll still place the links down for you. You never know, they may start back, you know, giving us commission. My pendant light is from ET2, and I've searched on ET2. It's like really expensive. On Amazon, they had one for like 500 bucks. It is sold out. So I'll still place the link. You never know, it may come back in stock, you know, by the time you see this video. So panning on around to my entryway. My entryway table is also from Rooms to Go, but you can get your hands on it from Walmart. It is in stock, very affordable. My vases on the table is from Z Gallerie, and my books was gifted to me from a young lady on Instagram. My bookends are from Home Goods. The boxes at the bottom are from Home Goods. And my chain link vase here is from CB2. Now, I don't have anything in there for now. The reason why I didn't put anything in there is because I have flowers in those two vases. And then I also have my trumpet. I call it like a trumpet or whatever vase. Also from Z Gallerie. I don't have anything in that one as well. Probably didn't need neither one of them in the entryway, but y'all know I'm team too much. I'm going to try to use as much as I can in my space. And then I have my runner here, which matches my rug. Yes, I'm matchy, right? The runner is also from Amazon. And I get a lot of questions about my floor. It's called Talbot Oak, and it's from Lowe's Home Improvement. And that sums up this room, everyone. I'm sure I'm going to be doing a couple more tours in here before the spring is over, because I probably take the, you know, change out my drapes a couple times. And then I have some different aqua pillows or Tiffany blue pillows that I can use, you know, and do a different table setting here. Yes. If you're not following me over on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, I'm at Homebody with Felisa on all social media platforms. I would appreciate having you guys over on those as well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.